Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Today we'll see how to bake hot cross buns. For that we'll take 1 teaspoon of yeast in a bowl, add 200 ml of warm milk. Into this we'll add 100 grams of sugar. Here I've taken unrefined sugar. Mix well. If you're using active dry yeast, first activate the yeast and then add the other ingredients. Into this we'll add 1 egg. If you don't want to use egg, instead of egg you can use 50 ml more of liquid, or you can use 50 ml of cream. Take 150 grams of whole wheat flour, mix it into the liquid, and then we'll take 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and we'll grate about half teaspoon of nutmeg powder. You can also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence for an extra flavor. Mix this with the spatula, and then we'll use the kneading hooks to knead the dough. We can also knead it by hands. Knead it for 4 to 5 minutes using the kneading hook till the dough comes together like this. Now we'll add 75 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature. Knead it into the dough till the dough becomes soft and elastic. If you're kneading using hands, knead for about 15 minutes till the dough is soft and elastic. Now the dough has become very soft and it is very nicely stretchable. So we'll just bring the dough together and make it into a soft ball and allow the dough to rest for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or maybe 2 hours, till the dough becomes double in size. And when you poke the dough, it should not rise back. If it leaves a dent in the dough, that means it is risen, and we can go for the next proofing. Till that time we should allow it to rest. Pour a little oil so that the dough doesn't go dry, and cover it with a cling film or a damp kitchen towel and allow it to rest. Now the dough has risen well, and the dent which is formed is staying. It is not rising back, so the dough is well proofed. Give it a short knead and we'll transfer it onto a floured countertop. Now we'll add the dry fruits. You can use raisins or currants. Here I have taken mixed dry fruits and candied peels which I had soaked. Here I have taken 150 grams of the soaked fruits. If you're not using soaked fruits, you can soak it in water for 15 to 20 minutes and then take it out and pat it dry and use it in the dough. It is better to add the dry fruits after the first proofing, so that the fruits doesn't come in the way during our kneading process and the gluten is properly developed. Now we'll mix the fruits into the dough properly, and we'll shape the buns. For that we'll make a log like this and divide the dough into 12 equal portions. We have 12 portions of about 80 grams. Now we'll make tight balls out of this. Fold it inside like this and make smooth balls, and we'll transfer it into a 9 by 13 inch baking pan which is well greased, and then we'll allow it to rest for about 1 to 1.5 hours till it doubles in size. To make the cross on the buns, here I've taken 30 grams of all-purpose flour and add 1 tablespoon of icing sugar and about 3 tablespoons of water. We'll add water little by little to make a thick paste, and then we'll transfer this into a piping bag and pipe out crosses on the buns just before baking the buns. The buns have doubled in size. Now we'll pipe out the cross on the buns. Before piping the cross, apply egg wash or milk wash. We'll bake the buns at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. After about 30 minutes, I took the buns out of the oven and brushed some sugar glaze. The sugar glaze is made by boiling equal quantity of water and sugar. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar and brushed it with them, and then again baked it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now the buns are beautifully baked, golden brown in color, and it's super delicious. We'll again apply some sugar glaze on the buns. It makes it look so shiny and beautiful. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to press the like button. Please do bake it for your family for this Easter. Your family will surely love it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.